Here is a sharp comparison between JetBrains AI, including the new Zuni assistant, and Cursor AI with a clear edge to one. So, the core differences. First of all, AI integration and workflow. JetBrains AI is an enhanced plugin layered over IDEs like Intel, GAPI, Charm, and WebStorm. Its AI features are supplementary and often require explicit prompting, whereas Cursor AI is a standalone AI first IDE built on VS Code. It is AI is deeply integrated, multi-line completions, rewrite suggestions, and agent-like workflows are core to its design. Now for the code completions. JetBrains AI is reliable and conservative, suggests completion based on context but rarely completes large sections across files. Then, Cursor AI offers powerful multi-line tab completions, auto-imports, and can predict subsequent edits. So according to the pricing, JetBrains AI offers a free tier with limited quotas, then requires subscriptions, often bundled in the All Products pack, and whereas Cursor AI currently offers core features for free with optional premium upgrades on the horizon. So, if your top priority is an AI first coding experience with intelligent multi line completions, natural language code generation, and bravura speed, Cursor AI is clearly the winner today. That said, JetBrains IDEs remains unmatched for deep static analysis, debugging, refactoring, and large project maintenance. And if JetBrains speeds up Zuni and makes its AI more seamless like Cursor, that balance could shift. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.